My next tour will begin momentarily.
The Story of the Tortilla by Alexis by Jimmy. Welcome to our report on the tortilla, a proud and important food. A long time ago, hundreds of years, or maybe even thousands of years, people didn't live in houses, they wandered around, hunting. That's when they made an amazing discovery. Corn! It changed their lives forever. When they learned how to plant and harvest corn, they stopped just wandering around. They farmed, built houses and cities and pyramids. They studied the stars and founded great empires, the Aztec, the Maya, and the Olmec. Corn filled their body and their soul. In fact, some even worship corn as a god. Thank you for the corn you may go now. The tortilla made of ground corn soon became a favorite. According to Maya legend, the tortilla was invented as a gift to the king. When the countries of Europe discovered the Americas, they also discovered corn and the tortilla. Gracias. Spanish missionaries helped spread the tortilla all across California. And thanks to the invention of Maseca corn flour, tortillas are better than ever. Here at Mission, a machine like this can produce 1,200 corn or wheat tortillas a minute. And each one is a gift fit for a king. But tortillas aren't just for kings anymore. People all over the world enjoy them. Now you get to tour a modern Mission tortilla factory, just like we did. And get a great